Hello, welcome to the PySpigot tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to run your first localhost server and run your first script on the server using PySpigot, of course. So what you need is Java on your machine. That's a must-have. I will give you a link in the description how to install it if you haven't already. I will give everything you can see here on the screen in the description, so you don't need to worry about that. Now let's start. So you just click download now. I already downloaded it, so I won't click it. Then you will go to this site. You will click on paper and 1.21, okay, or whatever version you want. You will click download now. Okay, so after you download it, you will have two files, jar files. You will create new folder. You can name it however you want, but I will call my server. You will drag only paper and drop it here. Now you will create text file. You will name it start. Okay. And now you will paste the exact same thing as me here in the start.txt. You will save it by pressing Ctrl S, and you now have to rename the extension to .bat. Okay, now because it says this server.jar, we have to either rename the server.jar to this file, or we will just rename this file to server.jar. Now double click on start.bat. It's downloading. Now it says failed to load EULA because Minecraft has some license. So it says press any key to continue, so you just have to press any key and it will create EULA.txt. You will have to open it, edit it. This false, make to true, save it, exit. Now double click to start.bat again. And as you can see, it's working. Now the server is fully loaded. We can just Ctrl C again. We will go to plugins, then drag and drop the PySpigot jar file into plugins folder. Start it again. Now it recognizes the PySpigot as a Pygit plugin. So it will load the plugin. It will do everything essential for us to load the scripts. It says loaded 0 scripts because we haven't made any yet. So we just close the server again, go to plugins folder again, and now we can see it made PySpigot folder. We double click and double click scripts, and now we can make any script we want. So I will make my first script .py. Because it's empty, it won't do anything, but we will just write the script right now. I have this Sublime text. It's a text editor, but you can just use Notepad or anything that suits you. I will use Sublime text. I will give you downloading link in the description, and I will drag and drop my first script.py to Sublime text. So how this works is it's normal Python, but you can import any bucket, method, class, package into this file. So if you want to get, for example, online players, you will call from org bucket import packet. You need capital B, save it, and now we'll go here and packet dot get online players. We will give it a name, a variable. Now we will just print it. I open packet documentation. So this is what you can import. Everything you can import is here. Okay, this is called package. So I imported org.packet and I imported packet. So we just need to search packet here, and here you can see all the methods you can use. So I used get online players here, and here you have the description of the method. I will click on this and you can just read it if you want. So this is how you make the PySpigot first script. You can also just go back and can, for example, call get max players. We can get band players. So you just have to manually read it through what you need, what you want, and always read the description here. So get max price gets the maximum amount of players which can log in to this server. So max players, or you can just rent packet dot how does it get max players. Okay, if you don't know Python, you might need to watch the tutorial because you won't get anywhere here without knowledge of Python. So yeah, I saved it by Control S. We can just minimize this window. We go back into folder and start the server. It's now loading. It should print out the things we might decode it. So that's here. This means it's printed. Okay. So if you call print, it will say std out, and here we can see that it's a list. Okay, so it's empty because there are no players on my localhost server, and here we can see the max players of the server, and this is correct. We can Control C to close the server again, and yeah, that's it for today's video. I think I will show you how to code more complex things in next video. I hope you liked it. I know my English is bad, my everything is bad. I don't know how to teach anyone, but I just wanted to teach somehow. Yeah, have a nice day. See you next time.